You've probably heard the advice. Just replace the bad habit with a good one. And, sure, it sounds simple, but most bad habits are not just habits. They're coping mechanisms. They're the way we keep ourselves from feeling something we don't want to feel. For example, the person who overeats isn't hungry. They're overwhelmed. The person who scrolls for hours isn't bored. They're anxious. The person who games until 3 a.m. isn't lazy. They're trying to escape something that feels too heavy to face. See, when a habit brings relief from discomfort, the brain learns to repeat it. In psychology, this is called negative reinforcement. The habit removes emotional pain, so your mind clings to it. And if you try to simply replace that habit with a healthier one, without understanding what it was protecting you from, your system resists. It pulls you back, sometimes even harder than before. So the first step isn't replacement. It's awareness. Ask yourself, what emotion does this habit help me avoid? Is it stress? Loneliness? Boredom? Shame? Feeling like you're not enough? Be honest. Awareness turns the lights on. Now here's something important. Start paying attention to the exact moment the habit begins. Not after. Not during. The moment before. There is always a trigger. A feeling. A thought. A shift in your body. Maybe your chest tightens. Maybe your mind gets loud. Maybe you just feel the urge to escape. Just notice it. Don't try to stop the habit yet. Don't fight yourself. Just become aware of when it starts. Awareness comes first. Control comes later. And once you see the pattern clearly, the next step is choice. How willing are you to change? Truly. On a scale of 1 to 10? Not how much you wish you wanted to change, but how much you are actually willing to do something different. If you're below a 7, that's not failure. It just means the habit is still meeting an emotional need, which is okay. That means you know where to look. But if you can get to an 8, a 9, you don't have to force it anymore. Change happens naturally. When you understand what the habit was holding for you, you don't have to fight yourself or replace the habit immediately. First, learn what it's been protecting. And once you see that, the change will feel aligned, not forced, not exhausting, just real. And remember, you don't have to fix your whole life today. Just notice the moment when the old habit appears. That single moment of awareness is already change. You're closer than you think.